everybody, and welcome back to my English grammar classes. So today we're going to talk about some, any, and no. This is a quite common topic, also during exams, even for beginners or quite easy level. Well, the rule is actually quite easy, but we have to understand the basic mechanism that we have to follow when we use these words, okay, some or any, or eventually no. So, first of all, both of them, some and any, could be considered synonyms, okay, because they both mean a certain quantity of, okay. I want to specify the number, more than one, more than two, probably more than three, okay, but I can't specify the number, okay. So it means various things basically, but we use them, okay, in different situations. So we use some in affirmative sentences, while we use any in interrogative sentences, so questions basically, and in negative sentences, okay. Obviously, any, some and any, can also create other words when they are linked to, for example, the word body, somebody or anybody, when I'm referring to people, to persons, or one, anyone or someone, okay, or again, thing, anything or something, or again, where, anywhere or somewhere. Also in this case, I will follow exactly the same rule. Now let's see a few examples, okay. I have read some books. So I have read some books. In this case, the sentence is absolutely affirmative. The verb is a present perfect. Probably, I don't know, I have read some books today, and today isn't finished, so I use present perfect because the period of time isn't finished, but I could use also a simple past. I read some books, or a present simple, I read some books, or future, I will read some books. Okay, anyway, this is an affirmative sentence, okay? There's always the plural of the noun in this case, okay? In several languages, in my language, for example, in Italian, this is not compulsory to put the plural, okay, of the noun. This is absolutely compulsory in English, so pay attention. Second example, second sentence, I haven't, negative, I haven't read any books yet, maybe, okay? I'm talking about today, I haven't read any books yet. Maybe I will later, I don't know. Okay, so in this case, the verb is absolutely negative. Also in this case, I can change the tense, okay? I can say I haven't read, I can say I didn't read, it's a simple past, I can say I don't read, simple present, I won't, will not read, it's future, okay? It doesn't really matter, okay? What matters is that this is a negative verb, and so I will use any. Again, with the plural, obviously. Another example, have you read any books yet? This is a question, okay? Also in this case, I can put yet or not. This is absolutely my decision to put it as just an option, okay? The very important thing is that this is a question, okay? So, question mark at the end of the sentence and obviously interrogative verb. Also in this case, this is a simple, a present perfect. I can also change the tense, okay? It could be, did you read, or do you read, or will you read, or would you read, okay? It doesn't really matter, okay? This is an interrogative sentence, so I have any. This is quite easy, okay? Are there any way to express the negative form, even in a stronger way maybe? Yes, there is another way, with no, okay? With no, I can still express the negative form, and it is even stronger, but pay attention, the verb has to come back to the affirmative form. in English language, I will never use two negative parts in the same sentence. This is something we do in other languages, in French, in Italian, okay? We don't. In English, we don't. In German, for example, okay? So, if I have no, I can't have any other negative parts. So, I can't have a negative verb. I have to put an affirmative tense. So, let's see the last example here. I have read no books. In this case, you see I have no, the noun, always plural, okay, and the present perfect of the verb is absolutely affirmative. Also in this case, I can change the tense. I can say I read, I read, simple past, I read a simple present, I would read a conditional, or well, whatever you want. I will read, okay, the future tense, or I'm going to read, whatever you want, okay? But always affirmative, because I already have no, so I have to put just one negative thing, one negative element in my sentence. So basically the difference between these two sentences, I haven't read any books and I have read no books, is that the verb is negative in the first case and affirmative in the second case. You may, just another thing, no can form other words exactly like some and any, together with things, nothing, together with body is nobody, together with where is nowhere, okay? Pay attention, together with one, it's no one, but it becomes known, N-O-N-E, okay? It's contracted, shortened, so I can also use it in some expressions like it's none of your business, or it's none of that, so it means nothing, not a single part of, okay, so this is the meaning, and this is the spelling, okay, N-O-N-E. Well, just another thing I'd like to tell you, as you can see here, I have put a red circle around the S of the plural of all nouns, because obviously with some, any, and no, I use always the plural. I've already said that. Well, always, no, not really always. There is also one circumstance, one situation in which I use the singular. It is only with any, and it changes the meaning of the sentence. When I use the singular, it means basically it doesn't matter which one. So, example, any book, singular, okay, it's not plural, it's singular, any book is interesting. Any singular book, any possible book, doesn't matter which one I'm talking about, okay? Any of them, okay? Doesn't matter which one. Any book, any possible book is interesting, in my opinion. Or, again, I like any child, any single child. Doesn't matter whether he is, I don't know, nice or not, or whatever. Any child, okay, is fine to me. Any single one, okay, doesn't matter the difference or whatever. So this is the meaning, okay, of any with a singular noun, which is different, okay, from this meaning here, which means a general quantity of. Any with the singular mean doesn't matter which one, okay. Any of that category is something for me. Okay, so this is basically the meaning and the way we use these words, okay, some, any, no. If you have any questions, any doubts, as always, please just leave me a comment below. If you have any requests, just write me. I'm here for you. Thank you so much for your feedback, and I hope to see you very soon with our English grammar lessons. Bye!